Right now, Gorymun expedition team is reaching Gorymun top shortly. While right now, at the moment, we are just down the mountain, the top, and here's a beautiful view of Mummurat Valley, Kailash Valley, Mummurat. You can see the valley from checkpoint Dubash up to Brun Batrik village, but the rest of villages are just behind us. And here is another view we would like to show you. Biriu Valley, you can see there is Biriu Valley just behind the small mountains, and we cannot explain this beautiful view. Akram, tell us, how do you feel today after the trekking, the Gorymun expedition? We are approaching the Gorymun top. How do you feel?
It's very nice. It's my first time that I came to the top of the mountain, but I visited last year until the middle of the mountain. But here on the top of the mountain is amazing. You can say that we can see from here all the valley. I mean, we are going to reach on the top of the mountain after 5 minutes. Wait, we will show you all the valleys from the top of the mountain.
What do you like to tell? Comment about the two guys who are already approaching the top, and we are left behind because we are making clips and enjoying chit chats while we are trekking to the mountains.
Our two friends, of course, they reached on the top of the mountain, and they just ahead from us, and they are reaching on the top. And the thing is that they were just we carried little bit heavy things, and the two guys there.
Oh really?
They are just.
That's
going
just
and there was
wonderful.
nothing
Look
around.
at this. Look at down the valleys, down the villages. Really,
The
this
thing
is.
yes, we are just enjoying to see the villages from the top of the mountain, and of course high pastures as well. So we are enjoying to see the cloud, to see the weather, to see the greenness of the area, pine trees.
Wow.
Enjoying all the atmosphere here from here.
Oh, that's fantastic. Let us discover the mountain, the top of Gorymun, which we consider that's historical mountain. That's that the people from Anish Valley, they came here to save themselves from enemies, but unfortunately it was very difficult for them to hide here. We will talk about this story once we arrive on the top of the Gorymun mountain, where we will get together and we will discuss more things. Stay tuned with Sparta News and Gorymun expedition. Let us explore Kailash valleys. Gorymun Explorer and Tours will be coming soon. Stay tuned with us.
The first time, we four friends are climbing the mountain and we reach on the top of the mountain. It is the first time. I think nobody came here except us. We are the first visitor, the trekker that we climbed on the mountain.
Wow, that's really good. That's really good. Give it up, man.